Oh, sheesh, there you are. Been waiting around a while, since 1980 in fact, when this stunning Art Deco influenced home was built. If you've been searching for the perfect home for what feels like 37 years, well friends, we've got an absolute treat for you today. If you've been looking for that home, which is the perfect mix, with some character and charm from yesteryear, with all the modern creature comforts, yet still perfectly positioned, only moments walks to shops, train, and very close to the CBD, well, I can't wait to show you around 72 Railway Parade, Pascoe Vale. Let's go take a look. Who doesn't like to relax in front of the fire, eh? Oh. And the owners tell me one of their favourite parts of the home is sitting back on this porch, relaxing and enjoying a cuppa, and just taking in that lovely valley view and those gorgeous city glimpses. Wow. Well friends, dream no more. If you think 72 Railway Parade, Pascoe Vale is the perfect fit and the home for you, well come on down for a look. We can't wait to see you down. Till then, take care and bye for now.